Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this easy eyeshadow look. If you guys are interested, please stick around and let's get started. Okay, so I just started with this eye already. For all my products, I will be using today the Maybelline eyeshadow palette, which is the nudes, and I will also be using the Wet n Wild. For the Wet n Wild, you guys also have this color in the Maybelline, but I feel like it's not too pigmented. Start off, I will be using this brush. I'm not sure the name of it. And I will be combining these two colors right here. So the first color, I'm just going to be applying it on the crease very softly. And I'm going to go in circle modes so I can blend in as well. But if you guys don't get to blend in, there's no problem. We will be blending in at the end. Add the color as pigmented as you want, slowly by slowly, because if not, it's going to look a little bit too harsh and it's going to be very hard to blend in at the end. Now I'm going to be using my blending brush, and I will be grabbing a little bit of this color now. Just a little bit, just dab it inside. And I will start to blend in. And I forgot to say that I already primed my eyes before applying my eyeshadow, and I was using the Wet n Wild concealer. You guys could use a primer or a concealer, but I like using a concealer better. I'm going to go in with this dark color. It looks like a dark grayish. And you just want to apply just the tip of your brush, just like this. And now I'm just going to be applying it in my crease as well. I'm going to be moving my brush back and forth. So I think I'm going to be adding one more coat. And here we go. And I think that I am satisfied. Now I'm going to be grabbing again my blending brush, and I will be grabbing this color again. And I'm just going to be dabbing just a little bit. And now I'm going to blend in both colors. I'm going to be using a little bit of concealer to clean the eyelid so we can make a cut crease. And I will be using a flat brush to help me out. Now let's just go ahead and so right here we're just doing a cut crease. I'm just going to go ahead and pat it down with my finger. I will be getting a flat brush. And I will be putting it on top of the concealer. Be using my E.l.f Liquid Eyeliner to do my little wing. And I really like the E.l.f. And also, if you're on a budget, this is a very good liquid eyeliner. So I totally recommend it. And this is how it looks, just in case some of you haven't seen it. To start off with a little line. Just like that. And now let's just do the second line, and that's it. For the glitter, I will be using the B.S.N Glitter Eyeliner. This is one of my favorites. I really recommend it. I got it from the dollar store and it's just $1. So, and it's really good actually. So, and this is how it looks when you guys open it. I'm going to be applying it on top of my wing. You guys have to make sure that it gets dry. You guys don't want to look up because it will get messed up. So let's just wait until it gets a little bit dry. Meanwhile we wait, I will be using my Physicians formula, and it's the highlighter. I will be going in with this brush, and I will be getting the gold I will be getting the gold highlighter, and I will just be putting it on the inner corners of my eyes just to give it that little pop. Using the Wet n Wild. It's a very dark brown, and it's what's the name of it? It's Pretty in Mink. It's called Pretty in Mink, something like that, but it's a very dark brown. And I will be putting it in the bottom of my eyes. And I will also be applying it on top. So oh, see? I really had to wait because I just messed it up. So yeah, so let me just apply a little bit more. So I guess I'm just gonna wait because I can't really do anything until it dries out. I will be using this brush. Go ahead and use this. I will go ahead and use this dark brownish. Grabbing this brush, and I will be grabbing just a little bit of the brown so I can blend the color out and it doesn't look too harsh down there. Now for my mascara, I'm going to be using the E.l.f, which I don't recommend. It's very inexpensive, but it doesn't do the job really. So let me just go in with my amazing mascara, whatever. The eyelashes that I will be using, it's by Kiss Paparazzi 03, and these are my favorite eyelashes. The eyelash glue is from ARDEL LashGrip. I'm ready to apply my eyelashes. So this is the final look. I hope that this eyeshadow tutorial was very easy for you guys to follow. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see future videos, or comment down below what are the type of videos which you guys like me to do. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys until next time. Goodbye.